All right, cool. We are going to read the second half of Mountaineer today. Maybe one of these days we'll be able to read Mountaineer all the way through in one sesh. I feel like that is a reasonable goal that hopefully I can achieve. I mean, I know I can achieve it, but like without it taking 20 minutes. Okay. その夜、登山家は病気になって初めて救急車を電話で呼びました。I feel like that's like after a while or something, or like very often. The Mountaineer something about the doctor. Hajimete. I don't remember. Oh, that night he got sick and called for an ambulance for the first time. Kyukyusha. Kyukyusha is ambulance. Byoin ni tsuita toki, isha wa iimashita. So he got to the ambulance. He got to the hospital. Tsuita toki. Isha wa ii. When he arrived at the hospital, the doctor said, Taberarenai kinoko o tabemashita ka? Did you eat an inedible mushroom? Yeah. Or did you eat inedible mushrooms? Plural. I don't know how I'm supposed to know it's plural. Kinoko wa totemo kiken na node ki o tsukete kudasai. Kinoko wa totemo something about please. The mushrooms also something. You have to be careful because mushrooms can be dangerous. Very dangerous. Demo mo daijoubu desu. But you're fine. Demo miga warukunatte imasu. But something about you have to watch out. Oh no. But by the way, your eyes are getting weak. Shitte imashita ka? It's like did you know? Did you know? Nice. Yasunda hou ga ii desu yo. I don't know. You should take a good rest. そして鷹山家は毎年病院に行って健康診断を受けます。From then on, the Mountaineer went to the hospital every year for a checkup. that's it. There we go. That is the end of the story. We're only a few minutes. We're about right at time, but let's just go over. I want to go over some of the vocab again. So, hajimete is for the first time. Kyukyusha is ambulance. Isha is doctor. Kikken is dangerous. I'm just going to try to go over a couple of those every time until maybe some of them sink in, and then I forget them in like 2 weeks. But okay, sweet. That'll be it for tonight. Maybe more TBD. Ciao.